First, I wash the potato. I scrub it with a vegetable brush. Then I slice the potato. Next up, I oil the potato slices with olive oil. I keep oiling the potatoes until I have them all on the tray. I add some garlic salt to the potatoes. I'm going to change a function here to convection bake. This is a Farberware toaster air fryer combination that I picked up at Walmart a while back. It's a really good price. The only thing that we wish it was better is we wish there was a light on the inside of the machine so that you could actually see it better, but that's okay. Alright, so it's been in there for a little bit. It is starting to do its job. You can't really see in there well, but it's bubbling and doing its job. And we'll close it back up and let it go. It's probably going to take like 22 minutes for it to be done. Alright, I'll see you when it's done. Alright, let's see what we have. Those look good. Alright, so there are my potato slices, and they are really good. There's a little crisp to them. Now, I could do them for less or more depending on whether I want crisp or not, and I like to have a mixture, so I'll wait until some of them are brown like this so that they've got a little bite and then some of them got a little chew. They're a wonderful snack. I simply call them potato slices. You can do these in the regular oven too. I generally put them on for 350 for about 20-22 minutes, and they're good to go, but it depends on how thin you slice your potatoes and whether you want it chewy, more chewy, potatoey, whether you want it crispy. So it's just a nice little snack that I enjoy every so often. All right, well, I hope you'll enjoy them too. The best part, you can put anything you want on them. I just happen to like garlic salt. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. I took a quick peek, and it looked like it needed 5 more minutes, so I put 5 more minutes on the clock.